In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps and programs in Windows 11 so you can free up space and keep your PC running smoothly. Now to get started, what you want to do from your desktop is open up your settings. So if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you've opened your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto apps. And then what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto installed apps. What that's going to do is load up all the currently installed apps and programs on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And from here, what you can do is scroll down the list to find the app or program you want to uninstall. There's also a search box at the top if there is a particular app that you're looking for. And you also have some filters here, so you can filter by all drives and you can sort by different things. For example, the largest to smallest apps or programs, name, date installed, and so on and so forth. So in this example, I want to uninstall Spotify, so you can see that's just down here. Now once you find the app that you want to uninstall, come to the right hand side of the app and click onto the three dots where it says more options. Once you've done that, you're going to see a uninstall option come up. Give that a click and then click onto uninstall. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through, and as you can see, that's gone ahead and uninstalled Spotify. Now, some apps do have a dedicated uninstaller. So for example, if I come down to Garmin Express, and what I'm going to do is again, click onto the three dots, uninstall, uninstall again. And on this particular app, as you can see, what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a window like this, where instead of Windows removing the app, you just need to run through the built-in uninstaller for that particular app or program. So I'm going to click onto uninstall. It's going to say initialize, and it's probably just going to take a minute or two to run through. And as you can see, it's going to start uninstalling the Garmin Express app. So you can see it says successfully uninstalled. At this point, I'm going to click onto exit, and you can see that's now disappeared from my installed apps list. So of course, you can just repeat this for as many apps or programs that you no longer use to free up space and keep your PC running smoothly. And that is how to uninstall apps and programs on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.